According to the latest update from the CDC, 21 counties in South Dakota are listed as having high community transmission of COVID. So should you start masking up again? As KELOLAND's Kelly Volk explains, the doctors we talked with today say it really depends on where you are and if you've been vaccinated.
You don't see many people wearing masks in Sioux Falls anymore, but should they? Dr. David Basil with Avera Medical Group says it depends.
The answer is if you're unvaccinated, you really should be masking out in public. So there's still the Delta variant and everything is in town and you are at risk.
Avera only has 10 people hospitalized with COVID right now. That's why Dr. Basil says vaccinated people don't need to wear a mask, but he says that advice could change quickly.
What I'm really following is how many people are we seeing hospitalized with it. If that number starts to really go up, then I'm going to be concerned, and then I'll probably be really starting to push masking more.
Doctors at Monument Health in Rapid City have a different recommendation because of the surge of people riding into the Black Hills for the Sturgis motorcycle rally.
And I would say the correct advice for all of you folks serving others in restaurants and wherever it be is to mask up.
Dr. Kura says his advice applies to everyone, vaccinated or not, and even to people outdoors if they're in crowded areas.
Knowing that we are less than 50% vaccinated, I think masking up is the right thing to do, and that is what is going to stop this. And so everyone needs to mask up.
Dr. Kura says that when vaccinated people get COVID, they don't get as sick, but they can still transmit the virus just as easily as anyone else.
We are at a critical moment in our history where the fourth wave of this pandemic is on the surge, and we need to stop it, and it's in our hands. So it's not going to hurt you. Please wear the mask.
Kelly Volk, KELOLAND News.
And while the doctors have slightly different advice on masking, they both agree on this. Now is the time to get vaccinated before the Delta variant really gets a foothold in KELOLAND.